Fanny Play's back at it again with another banging video, ladies and gentlemen. And today we are going to be doing another tier list for y'all. Today we're doing a cookie tier list, so let's go! Now, first up, we have Chewy Chips Ahoy Reese's. I love me some Chewy Chips Ahoy, and I love me some Reese's. So, it's going up there in SS tier. It's practically God tier. Nilla Wafers. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Never tried it. We have these. Now, next up, we have white chocolate chip cookies. Honestly, to me, they're pretty good. And white chocolate chip, I give it a solid B. Now Oreos, man, that who doesn't love good Oreo, bro? Chocolate chip, this should be a no brainer, honestly. I love me some chocolate chip. Yeah. Should I move this up a bit? I may as well. It's going in A now. That's frozen. Okay, so the regular Chips Ahoy. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Well, I definitely love Chewy more than the original, so. But it's still an A for me. I still love me some good Chips Ahoy. Now I feel like there's I have not had you, not have you, and I have not had you. Next we have Oreo Thins. It's honestly it's kind of average. If I'm being honest, it's pretty average. It's basically just now. Here's a couple. Wait, I haven't had you. I haven't had you. Oh, good. I have not had you. I have not had you. Now we're up on Chewy Chips Ahoy, baby. My God. These are some gold cookies. I'm going to tell you that. They are freaking gold. SS tier, bro. Now there's really a lot down here that. So I may as well go over the ones that I just haven't had in general. So like any cookie I haven't had. So one strain not tried. Haven't tried that one. Have not tried that one. 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 Yeah, there's basically just a lot of cookies that I have not tried. But maybe I'll stop. Okay. I'll stop. I'll stop a bit. Oh god, there's it's lagging up quite a bit. Yeah, I'm sorry, but there's just a lot of cookies. Too many cookies I haven't tried. Now s'mores Oreos. So what it looks like with this Oreo is that it's kind of like a s'more. Like it's got like the graham crackers for like the thing for like the outside, and then the inside there's like some chocolate and like some white cream for the marshmallow. I think it's be a pretty dope cookie. We'll put in B tier. Now, Christmas cookies. Oh, I did not mean to put Nilla wafers. There. Oh god. It's lagging out quite a bit. Honestly, Christmas cookies are pretty good. I give them a solid A tier, yeah. Now Teddy Grahams, I feel like I had this like as a child. But oh yeah, there's oatmeal raisin cookies. Well, it's obviously I'd rather eat sand. Did I do it? Yep, I did. Teddy Grahams, I guess I'll B tier. They're probably a childhood snack, but aren't as good as they were as a child. Now, the Cookie Deluxe, this is just basically just like a big chocolate chip cookie. So oh god, what happened? So I'm gonna put it in A tier. Yeah, it's probably an A tier worthy. Now sugar cookies, I don't exactly like them as much as most other people, honestly. But I still say they're pretty good. They're solid B tier for me, honestly. In a way, they're a little mid, but honestly, I still think they mostly outweigh the good. So the double stuffed Oreo. Oh man, how come the mega stuffed Oreo is not here? That I wish it was here. Honestly, yeah. So the golden Oreo. I feel a lot of my friends like it. Some of my friends like it. Some friends hate it. I'm going to put it in average. It's kind of really average. Biscoff, a cookie that goes that a cookies that meant to go with coffee. Honestly, yeah, that I don't really like the idea of coffee, honestly. So it's going now Oreo Thin Mints. Uh, in general, I don't exactly like to eat mints really, but it's Oreo, and the thing is, it probably still tastes pretty good, you know, but considering it's thin, it drags it down. Oreo Swedish Fish. Um, yeah, I'm gonna put that bizarre creation where it truly belongs. Uh, looking at this, I can already tell it's I'd rather eat sand. Pockies are pretty good, honestly, but I don't exactly think they count as a cookie. But either way, I still put them in A. They're really good. Animal crackers. I'm gonna I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, and they, they're about the same probably as the Teddy Grahams. They're probably a good child snack, but don't really compare to anything else right now. I just want to see. I just want I just wanted you I just want to save this one just 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 to for you to see it. It's called Meladina cookies. They look like potato chips. Tell me those don't look like potato chips. They absolutely look like potato chips. But I haven't tried them. I just wanted to point that out, honestly. Stroop waffles? I have no idea what the hell that is. I have no idea. Honestly, okay, I definitely missed some being put in. Yeah, I'll just put the. I've never tried that one, and I'm just gonna be real here. Is that Girl Scout mint cookie? I mean, it looks pretty good. I probably put it in B tier, honestly. Yeah, it looks decent. This one is this cookie right here. Just looks kind of dry, honestly. I don't know. Fortune cookies. No one is. I tried once before. They're pretty below average, honestly. Now, oh ho ho, got some M&M cookies, bro. They're obviously S tier. Who doesn't like good M&M? This is the completed tier list. Thank you all so much for checking in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my notifications so you see every single one of my videos. And I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.